How to fix phone automatically restarting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone keeps restarting on its own, it's usually because of software bugs, battery problems, or faulty apps. Let's go through the most effective fixes step by step. First thing is to restart in safe mode. Booting into safe mode disables third-party apps, and if the restart stops, uninstall the recently installed apps or suspicious apps. Long press on the power button, then tap and hold on to the power off menu. It's going to bring out the safe mode option, and you can just tap on it to restart your phone into safe mode. All the downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled, and it will be easier for you to troubleshoot which app is causing the issue. Then you can check for software updates. For that, head over to your settings, then scroll down and find software update. Tap on download and install. And then finally, if there's any software updates available, tap on download and you should be good to go. You can also clear cache partitions. So for that, you need to turn off your phone and restart your device. Long press on the power button, tap on restart, and you should be able to clear out your battery. Then there is one other settings that you can change on your phone if it's available. Go to settings, and then from there go to device care. Scroll down here and find auto optimization. And if it's selected to auto restart when needed, tap on it. Make sure that this is not turned on. Make sure if the restart when needed is toggled on, you disable it and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.